सर आपने विजिट किया जो इंजर्स हुए क्या क्या
क्या इंसिडेंट में कैसे कंडीशन सर
they are getting the medical attention. It's an unfortunate incident. They're getting the medical attention, and we pray to God that they all recover. And the Chief Secretary has mentioned to me, because we've had a small chat, that he will do a review of all the regulatory departments, because this is a disturbing thing. So we hope that they will be able to rise to the occasion so that such a thing does not recur. Again, I understand there's been a long time, or probably this is the first time it's happened. You ought to know better. I don't. But whatever it is, a life lost is a life lost. So we have to take that care, and the government is at it. The Rashtrapati ji has also sent her condolences. Prime